Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Here just doing a little update on my trading for the day. So from the thumbnail you can see that I made $200 odd today. It's not a huge amount of money, but it's green, so I'll take it. Most of the losses came from the 5-minute strategy in the London session, and that's in my Bullinox account. So my Apex account shown here all had wins. So just showing the first trade. So the first trade I took was this sell. We had VWAP running in around this level, so I thought we were double topping on VWAP. I was wrong, but I took the sell when we pushed below this candle, this down closing candle rejection of VWAP. Took a sell position just one tick below it, and then was looking for 40 ticks, and just about got out here. I probably should have waited. So I'm trying to be a better trader, and it is a wrong trade. Even though it was a winning trade, it's a wrong trade. We're clearly in a new trend here. I should very clearly be looking for a long position at some point, and I should have waited for this rejection out of the moving averages, placed a buy order here, and run it up for the highs here, because we'd clearly made new highs. I should have been waiting for a pullback, been a bit more patient, wait for a pullback, see what sets up within these moving averages, and then take the long. So winning trade, but it was the wrong trade. So I do need to be a bit more patient and take better trades. The reason I took it was because it was from VWAP. I wouldn't normally take this trade, just a double top, but with VWAP, often you look for two-legged reversals. So I thought maybe we would get that. Maybe we would push down, sweep these lows, and then perhaps go lower, and perhaps take these lows out and then go higher. But I was just lucky here to get out of that move with a win. And then for my second trade, it was the usual breakout trade that I take. So this was, I think, the 945 candle. The 945 candle was this one. So I was waiting for price to come back into that level. Had a buy stop order set up there with these two accounts, and I got the entry, but we did just push down, and I was really close to being stopped out in this position. Maybe 5 or 10 ticks, something like that. Can't quite remember, but it was really close. We did go all the way down here, and then just about reversed on the in between these moving averages and pushed up for a 30 tick take profit. So with this one, I have a 3-to-1 risk to reward, which is fairly wide for a lot of people, but the win rate for me seems quite high, so I'm going to stick with it for now. 2 trades in the last couple of days, 2 wins, so it's going fairly well for now. I think the hard bit is when you start taking losses of $450, say, and you take a couple of those in a row, it becomes hard to continue taking these trades, but I will do so and just stick to the strategy and see how that goes. And then just to show you my Bullinox accounts, I don't know what happened there. These accounts, I'm going to try to pass them for, I've got 650k evals. I'll try to pass these, I'll see how it goes. I'm not going to be using them this month if I do pass them. They're basically for the future. I'm looking to scale in to my accounts every month, maybe get 2 or 3 every month, and yeah, just add to my total account number. But I won't be trading them this month. This month I have the full amount that I want right now. But if I can just get them when there's a discount, then I'll do so. The 150Ks look fairly good, so I just got a few of those. I'll see how that goes. And just to show my Bullinox trade, okay, so what I was looking at, we'd come into the low of day, we'd had a little bout here, formed a secondary low, so I thought we'd got a double bottom here, and we'd also formed an IFVG with this very fair value gap. So once we closed above it, took an entry on that that IFVG with the stop at these lows. Came down, almost took me out. It was maybe 1 or 2 ticks away. But then eventually we did come back to, so essentially what we had was VWAP resting here, and we'd come into it and then push down, come into it, push down, did it one more time and then push through. We did look to be contracting into a pivot here, but once I'm in moves on the 5-minute strategy, I don't get out. So even though I saw that, I was fine to take the loss. Got a bit of a poor feel here with Bullinox. I've noticed it's been fairly poor recently, just generally. So not really happy with that, but that's fine. It's not the biggest deal. But yeah, just took a loss there, and now sitting at around break even, less commissions. So hopefully I can get a few wins in the next few days of this week. 3 days left. Hopefully I can push it up a bit, but we'll see how that goes. And so in the future, I'll probably be looking to. I'll be keeping an eye on. So this month, I'll be keeping an eye on which strategy makes the most money, just which is the most profitable, which has the lowest drawdown, stuff like that. And then from there, I'll just decide where I want to move future accounts. So which accounts do I trust to make money consistently, make profits consistently? Which strategies need a bit more work and don't deserve any additions, stuff like that. I'll just be keeping an eye on it month by month and adding accounts to those that make me the most profits over the month. But yeah, that's all for me today. Hopefully you've gained something from this, and I will be back tomorrow morning. So catch you later. Bye.